Are you feeling overwhelmed by your debt? Do you find it difficult to keep track of your payments and interest rates? If so, you're not alone. Managing debt can be a daunting task, but with the right tools and strategies, it's possible to take control of your finances and achieve financial freedom. In this video, we'll show you how to manage your debt with banking tools and strategies. We'll cover everything from budgeting and tracking your expenses to negotiating with creditors and using balance transfer cards. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. First, let's talk about budgeting. Creating a budget is the foundation of managing your debt. It allows you to see where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back on expenses. Start by listing all of your monthly expenses, including rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, transportation, and any other bills. Then, compare your expenses to your income to see where you stand. If your expenses are higher than your income, you'll need to make some adjustments. Look for areas where you can cut back, such as eating out less or cancelling subscriptions you don't use. You can also look for ways to increase your income, such as taking on a side hustle or asking for a raise at work. Once you have a budget in place, it's important to track your expenses. Many banking apps offer budgeting tools that allow you to categorize your expenses and see where your money is going. This can help you stay on track and avoid overspending. In the next segment, we'll talk about negotiating with creditors and using balance transfer cards to manage your debt. Stay tuned. Negotiating with creditors can be intimidating, but it's an important step in managing your debt. If you're struggling to make payments, it's worth reaching out to your creditors to see if they can offer any assistance. Explain your situation and ask if they can lower your interest rate or offer a payment plan that works for you. Many creditors are willing to work with you if you're upfront and honest about your financial situation. Another option for managing your debt is to use a balance transfer card. These cards allow you to transfer your high-interest debt to a card with a lower interest rate, which can save you money on interest charges. When choosing a balance transfer card, look for one with a low or 0% introductory interest rate and no balance transfer fees. Be sure to read the fine print and understand the terms and conditions before applying. Keep in mind that balance transfer cards are not a solution to your debt problems. They can help you save money on interest charges, but you still need to make payments on time and work towards paying off your debt. In the next segment, we'll talk about using debt consolidation loans and other strategies to manage your debt. Stay tuned. If you have multiple debts with high interest rates, it can be difficult to keep track of payments and make progress towards paying off your debt. One option for simplifying your debt is to use a debt consolidation loan. A debt consolidation loan allows you to combine multiple debts into one loan with a lower interest rate. This can make it easier to manage your debt and save you money on interest charges. When choosing a debt consolidation loan, look for one with a lower interest rate than your current debts and no hidden fees. Be sure to read the terms and conditions carefully and understand the total cost of the loan. Keep in mind that a debt consolidation loan is not a solution to your debt problems. It's important to address the root cause of your debt and make changes to your spending habits to avoid getting into debt again. Other strategies for managing your debt include snowballing and avalanche methods. With the snowball method, you focus on paying off your smallest debts first, while with the avalanche method, you focus on paying off your debts with the highest interest rates first. Choose the method that works best for you and stick to it. Remember, the key to managing your debt is to stay organized, make payments on time, and work towards paying off your debt. In the next segment, we'll talk about credit counseling and other resources for managing your debt. Stay tuned. If you're struggling to manage your debt on your own, there are resources available to help. One option is credit counseling. Credit counseling is a service that can help you create a budget, negotiate with creditors, and develop a plan to pay off your debt. Many credit counseling agencies offer their services for free or at a low cost. When choosing a credit counseling agency, look for one that is accredited by the National Foundation for Credit Counseling (NFCC) or the Financial Counseling Association of America (FCA). These organizations ensure that the agency meets certain standards and provides quality services. Other resources for managing your debt include debt management plans, debt settlement, and bankruptcy. These options should only be considered as a last resort and should be discussed with a financial professional. Remember, managing your debt is a journey, not a destination. It takes time, effort, and dedication to achieve financial freedom. But with the right tools and strategies, it's possible to take control of your finances and live a debt-free life. In the final segment, we'll recap the key takeaways from this video. Stay tuned. Managing your debt can be a challenging task, but with the right tools and strategies, it's possible to take control of your finances and achieve financial freedom. Let's recap the key takeaways from this video. First, create a budget and track your expenses. This will help you see where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back on expenses. Second, negotiate with your creditors and consider using balance transfer cards or debt consolidation loans to simplify your debt and save money on interest charges. Third, consider seeking help from a credit counseling agency or other financial professional if you're struggling to manage your debt on your own. Remember, managing your debt is a journey, not a destination. It takes time, effort, and dedication to achieve financial freedom. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and strategies for managing your debt. With the right tools and mindset, you can take control of your finances and live a debt-free life. Thanks for watching.